Hi. Now the fish and chips elements are ready, are cooked. We need to salt the chips and also the fish too, and prepare the plate with ketchup and mayonnaise and so on, and lemon juice. But before we will have a mixture, a coating air, or it's the coating of the fish. We have more than we need for the fish, and for that I use apple to create a dessert to join with the chips and the fish and chips, the recipe Pacific Coast. I have sliced apple with the slicer. With the slicer, I have used half of apple, and I have created some slice of apple. And I take one or two slices. It depends of the thickness of the slice. If the thickness is too low, I take two. If it's enough, I take one. But I use now two, and I coat two slices here, for example, in the coat like this, and I put in the stove with the peanut oil, and I create another. We call that beignet de pomme in French. We call that maybe beignet de pomme or apple beignet. And I do again. Just 1 minute in the stove. I drop. And after when the apple coated or apple beignet is ready, is cooked, we put in the bowl and we put sugar on. Just crystal sugar on, and it's very delicious, very tasty, greedy, very greedy, très gourmand. We'll see that after. Further. Hi. Now the beignet de pomme or apple beignet is cooked. It looks like gold, as you can see, gold. And I put in the bowl the first, and I do the same operation for the other slice of apple with the coating element of the fish and chips, the recipe Pacific Coast. Now the beignet de pomme or apple beignet is ready, is cooked, as you can see. We have some here, and we just need to put sugar on, and I put some crystal sugar on, like this, and to optimize the quantity of sugar, I just put another bowl on to make a sphere, like this, and I shake 10 or 15 seconds, and by this way I have my apple beignet sugar, or sugar, yes, sugar, with sugar, very nice. It's very greedy, amazing tasty. And we do that for the whole quantity I have. And now we will finalize the presentation of the fish and chips, the recipe Pacific Coast, with apple beignet joined with this recipe Pacific Coast. Now,